There was a poor old man surviving in a small forest. Then he was hardly getting any food to eat. Poor man has fulfilled his hunger and went back to his hut. One day, a rich man came to the forest and he tells the poor man to cut down all the trees. For that I can pay you. The rich man will leave the place, giving poor man a 3 days of time to chop down all trees in forest. After some time, poor man takes the axe. As soon as the poor man raises his axe to hit the tree tries to escape from the poor man. Poor man sees a tree is escaping and throws axe on the tree. Axe hits the tree and tree will fall down. Picking the axe, poor man starts cutting all other trees. After 3 days, poor man has finished cutting all the trees. Rich man returns back to the forest and pays him the money. Poor man will be happy. After a couple of days, poor man is feeling hungry. There was no food for him to eat. Unfortunately, he has cut down all the trees because of money. So, his hunger leads him to death.